monster! A monster, Dodo, in my house, Dodo. Poor little bitty house.
Steady, old chap. Can't be as bad as all that, you know.
Oh, my poor roof and rafters. Oh, my walls, and there it is.
By Jove. Jolly well is, isn't it?
Well, do something, Dodo.
Yes, indeed. An extraordinary situation, but...
But what?
But I have a very simple solution. Simply pull it out the chimney.
Yes, go on, pull it out.
Who, me? Don't be ridiculous. What we need is a lizard with a ladder.
Oh, Bill. We need a lizard with a little, can you help us?
At your service, Governor.
Bill, my lad, have you ever been down a chimney?
Why, Governor, I've been down more chimneys.
Excellent. You just pop down the chimney and haul that monster out of there.
Righto, Governor. Monster!
No, Bill, no,
That's better. Bill, lad, you're passing up a golden opportunity.
I am?
You can be famous.
I can?
Of course. There's a brave lad. In you go now. Nothing to it, old boy. Simply tie your tail around the monster's neck and drag it out.
But Governor...
Good luck, Bill. Well, there goes Bill. Perhaps we should try a more energetic remedy.
Yes, anything, but hurry.
No, I propose that we,
Yes, go on, yes.
I propose that we, do... By Jove, that's it. We'll burn the house down.
Yes, burn the house. What?
Oh, we'll smoke the blighter out. We'll put the beast to rout. Some kindling, just a stick or two. All this bit of rubbish ought to do.
Oh, dear.
We'll smoke the blighter out. We'll smoke the monster out.
No, not my beautiful birdhouse.
Oh, we'll roast the blighter's toes. We'll toast the bounder's nose. Just fetch that gate. We'll make it clear that monsters aren't welcome here.
Oh, me, oh, my.
A match?
Match?
Thank God. Without a single doubt, we'll smoke the monster out.
We'll smoke the monster out. No, oh, my poor house and furniture. Ah! Not me. You barbarian. Ah! Ah, I'm late. Oh, dear, I'm here. I should be there. I'm late.
I say, do you have a match?
No. Must go. Goodbye. Hello. I'm late.
Young lady, do you have a match? No cooperation, no cooperation at all. Well, can't have monsters about. Jolly well have to carry on alone.